Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henin kasngi ke khandai terik unailar, ke dorbar senong maukar kalayo ban play ya ke multi facility utility kam community hall. Jong senong maukar ya ke bala play paj ba do menteri rang ba kajela u Dr. Mukul Sangma u balalong kongsan ha kejelang. Ki balai dan lang hangni kasngi ki kentop ya ke menteri sarkar ha kejo kepor ke balong ro ka MLA kini kathan ikong Roshan Wajri. Nang tahu menteri sarkar bakmi ya ketan urban affairs u ba Roni V Lingdo kirang ba anong ket kam senong kilong kami bat ki paj ba no kini kasnong.
Let us be practical in our approach. Let us look at the potentialities and opportunities that we have and utilize them in a right manner to really ensure that the future of Meghalaya is different. Meghalaya should be a state where we believe that we will have everyone having a sense of well-being. That is what we have promised to the people on behalf of the people, based on our dream. We dream on behalf of the people. We don't dream on our behalf. We don't dream alone, we dream together. Because we are a community, we are a society. I think we tribals are different from others. Many people still are yet to understand us. Many people are yet to understand our vibrant way of life, our way we eat, way we dress. So we need to do lots of exercise to educate others to know about us. That is also one challenging job we have. And I think collectively we will do this also at the right platform. Make everyone know about, the vibrant way of life of our tribals of Northeast. Whether it's the way of life of Khasis, Zantias, Garos, Nagas, Mizos, Boros, various tribes of Nagas. We will collectively look at those responsibilities also.